What is passive income? Investments or previously completed work that is earning passive revenue do so without any further work being put in. Active income, on the other hand, is money received in return for rendering a service. By definition, passive income doesn't require active labor after a set amount of time. The majority of passive income sources demand time, effort, and energy upfront. But if you do it well, you'll get to the point where your passive income streams generate cash on their own, with little to no work from you. The only usual requirements are a computer and an internet connection. 1. Blogging. An online diary or instructional website that displays content in reverse chronological order, with the most recent updates appearing first, is referred to as a blog, short for weblog. It serves as a forum for writers to express their opinions. With the help of display adverts, affiliate marketing, and/or the sale of digital goods, your site can generate passive money. You should concentrate on SEO if you want to use display ads as a passive income source, search engine optimization. Once your blog routinely receives visitors, businesses may even contact you to collaborate on initiatives. 2. Digital courses. Every one of us have skill in a field for which others are willing to pay. A digital course will enable you to monetize your expertise. A digital course is a form of passive income that keeps selling itself after you've created it with little to no effort on your part. You might not even be aware that you are currently imparting your knowledge. Perhaps it was a blog, YouTube channel, or Facebook post offering guidance on a certain subject. By compiling your thoughts, abilities, and information into a digital course, you may make passive revenue out of your knowledge rather than giving it all out for free. 3. eBooks. Writing an ebook, or electronic book, is another way to market a certain skill set or area of knowledge, similar to the digital course. An ebook is a digital version of a book that may be read on a computer, smartphone, or ebook reader, like the Kindle. These don't need to be full-length novels, though they can be. Keep in mind that your customers' expectations will be influenced by your price. Depending on your topic, a typical ebook can be anywhere between 2,500 and 10,000 words long. 4. Digital downloads. Digital downloads are tools that offer your customer a rapid resolution to a problem they are experiencing. With digital downloads, you create individual downloadable goods rather than an entire ebook. These are goods that can be used independently and yet benefit your customers. There are several useful options for digital downloads, including downloadable spreadsheets, printable checklists, craft and hobby manuals, and social media templates. You should conduct market research to find out what your potential client base wants. Investigating rivals in your field is the greatest place to start. See what results Google returns when you search for relevant terms. That person is your rival. Examine their offerings and consider how you may create your own, distinctive variation. 5. Affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you collaborate with merchants to promote their goods. By marketing goods or services, you can earn a commission on each transaction. You can earn money by just promoting someone else's goods, making this a simple kind of passive income. Through social media, email marketing, a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog, you can advertise your affiliate links. ShareASale and Amazon Associates are two popular affiliate marketing software programs. Your audience starts to lose faith in you the instant you promote subpar goods. Make sure you only promote brands you are familiar with and enjoy. 6. Real estate investing. The most expensive passive income source is real estate investing. If you're new to the world of real estate, it needs a sizable upfront investment. But in order to decide what kind of real estate investor you want to be, it's crucial to ask yourself these questions before you go into the market. You have a wide range of real estate investment choices to pick from, depending on your financial objectives and level of commitment. Long-term rentals, where you act as a full-time landlord, or short-term rentals, think Airbnb, are two ways that real estate can provide passive income. 7. Investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is arguably the simplest way to generate passive income. Capital gains or dividends are the primary sources of this kind of passive income. Compound interest allows you to watch your investments grow as the value of your stocks rises and as you keep reinvested any dividend income. Using the buy and hold technique is the key to making money on the stock market in a passive manner. This income stream won't actually be a source of income to rely on right now if you use a retirement account, such as a Roth IRA. It serves more as a means of earning money for retirement living expenses through investments and savings. Your savings, investment targets, and ability to recover from an unexpected job loss can all benefit from passive income streams. Who wouldn't want to earn money without having to clock in for an 8-hour workday? Most will require significant time and efforts committed to building them out before you start to see rewards. Investigate these possibilities, and you can soon be well on your way to earning money while you sleep. If you have enjoyed this video and found it useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe and also turn on the bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching and I will see you all next time.